Hello. In this video I'll be demonstrating you how to execute a SQL script. Many times we are in a situation where we need to perform a different kind of SQL script on the table, and it is not possible for us to run one by one all those scripts. So what you can do, you can write all those query in one file and then you can execute that file itself. How to do that things that I'm going to demonstrate you in this video. So we have a server which is already available and the database is running on this server. We are going to check with the help of ps-ef give pmon. Here you can see ORCL data is already running. In order to test this environment, we are going to create a SQL script. Let's say there is one SQL test.sql file. So first of all, we are going to create one test.sql file and we will put all those SQL command inside this SQL script. So we do have already test table available and I am going to insert some record to that test table. Insert into test table, and there are two columns, and let me check the name. So there are two columns, the first one is ID and second one is name. Like this we are going to insert multiple records. So I am just pasting it. Okay, so we do have sufficient SQL commands over here and I am just saving this file. Let me open this file test.sql. Here we can see there are multiple insert queries are there and we are going to add one more query so that it will select the data at the bottom. Select star from test table. Basically this SQL is inserting multiple records and at last it is selecting all those records from the test table, and I'm just saving it. Let me check the permission of this file. Here you can see test.sql don't have the executable permission. So first of all we need to provide execute permission 755 test.sql so that we will not get the permission denied error. Now we need to connect to the sqlplus utility and we will try to run this SQL query. In order to run the SQL script, you need to provide @ and then path of the SQL file. So currently I am in home location only, so I don't need to provide the path of the file. If your test.sql file is available in some other directory, then you need to provide the whole path of that directory along with the SQL file. And let's try to execute now. Here we are getting the message that it has inserted some record, but along with that we are also getting some error message because we have made some mistake while writing the name. It should be test tables. So let me recorrect ls-lrt. I'm going to test.sql and there are some mistake while pasting, so I will just try to resolve it. Now it's looking fine, and here also it should be in another line. Press enter and select star from test table. It should not be S, test table. Now it's looking perfect. Let me try to run the shell script connecting to the sqlplus utility and then @. Don't forget to mention the @ test.sql. Here now it's looking perfect. It has inserted all those records and after that it is selecting the record from the test table. This is how it is looking now. I hope you guys are understanding how to run the SQL file. If you have any queries, you can comment. Please do like, subscribe my channel, and if you wish to donate, you can donate. Please check the description for more details. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again with the next video. Bye bye for the day.